CurtJohn Shop.
Welcome to my Shapeways shop. On the left, you can select a shop section. All sections, the default one, art and deco, figurines, pendants, rings, logos. Let's take a look at the figurines section. Only the figurines appear. If you wanna buy the solder Philip, you simply click on the picture. There's always a lot of materials and colors available. Now, let's take a look at the ring section. If you wanna buy the ring USA 51mm, you still click on the picture. There's always a lot of materials available. Have in mind, the product you are seeing is a digital preview. Ordering a ring online may be hard, that's why I always put a board with all the sizes. It clearly indicates the size you have chosen. The blue line indicates your size. 51mm equals a US size of 5.5. If you clicked on the wrong ring size, you can scroll down the page. If finally you need a ring size of 62mm, simply click on it. You can check the size depending on your units of measurement. 62mm equals a US size of 10. To go back to my shop, click on the Visit Shop. And let's take a look at the pendant section. You directly notice it's written Customize, which means you can customize the product. Isn't it awesome? Click on the heart pendant. As usual, you can choose your favorite material. Click on Custom Text to add the name of your lover. For example, Sarah. You directly have a 3D preview. See you soon on my Shapeways shop.